channel. And it's summer, so it's another hiking. And same dun sa pinost ko, guys. Today, we're going to climb up peak in front of me. It's the lions! So, I'm not sure kung makaya naming umakyat. But we'll see, guys. And I hope you enjoy watching the video. It's amazing. Look at that. And where's Tita G? And Peachy? And Emerson is here. So, let's go, guys. Hi, guys. The reality is extreme siya. But but if you love rock climbing, then this trail is for you. Hello everyone. Now we arrive here at the parking lot, which is Sunset Trailhead, and this is pay parking, guys. So we pay for $24 for a day, I mean the whole day. Since this hike is a long hike, 16-kilometer round trip and rated as difficult, and this is recommended about 8 to 9 hours, but it depends how fast you hike with the rest and lunch. Of course, you have to rest for lunch and some snack. So let's go, let's hike together. Look at the reality of our life today. With a beautiful fog. Actually, this is just a random hike, so we don't really care the weather today, which is it's not really clear. But this time, ang habol lang namin dito is, you know, the trail plus the banding. So, let's see what happens sa top. Kung mag-clear up ba ang weather, since it's very foggy, and I wish hindi siya mag-rain. So, ano na, hingal-hingal? Hello? Still a long way to climb up.
Matagal nang paghihirap mo. Hanggang tayo lang.
Wow! Hurry up, guys! Look at the lions. Right there! Hip hip! How are you guys? Still alive? Whew. I think this weather is perfect, you know. Not too hot. Right, Tita? I think she's tired. So guys, we're gonna climb up over there. It's so steep. And my friend, he requested 5 minutes rest. I think he's tired. Go ahead, Tita G. Go ahead, Tita. Look for the sign. Where are we gonna go? You go ahead. Hi! Finally, guys, we arrived here sa peak.
Pero nandoon sila.
How many hours? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 6 hours. Oh my gosh. 6 hours with lots of rest. And another 6 hours going down. Ah! So everyone, I hope you enjoy watching this view here sa peak, and no wonder why this trail rated as difficult because after 4.5 kilometer, it's more on rock na yung kanyang trail, unlike sa ibang hiking trail na wala masyadong rock. Kasi if it's hard for you to to walk sa mga mabato, then talagang mahirap nga naman ito kasi medyo magshi-shake or magwiwiggle siya, and it's so confusing kung saan ka aapak. So I think kaya ganon na talagang it's difficult talaga yung rate niya. So thank you, and hope to see you next video. Bye for now. On right side. Oops. Hold on.